Listen up. Do you want to finally speak French with confidence? Do you? I go by the title of Prof Franglais. I'm a Nigerian and I'm also a certified Flow C2 French teacher from the Paris Nanterre University in France. L'Université Paris Nanterre en France. I understand exactly what it means to learn French as a Nigerian, and that's why I'm here to teach you. These classes are designed for complete beginners. Group classes run every Sunday, 4 times a month. Individual classes are limited but more flexible to fit your schedule, of course. More slots can of course be created for advanced learners, so if you feel you're beyond this stage, whether you want to learn French for work, study, travel, or personal growth, we focus on real-life French, not just the type you learn at school. It's important, of course, but we do more. That is, speaking, listening, pronunciation, and overall confidence. Yeah. Bonjour. Not just grammar rules, of course. Spaces are limited, so if you're serious about learning and improving your French this year, what are you waiting for? Stop looking at me. Sign up. Yeah. I need your money. You need this knowledge. So what'd you say? Do we trade? Yeah. The group link can be found in the description on YouTube, down below, and in the bio on Instagram. Of course, you already know that, don't we? What are you waiting for? Sign up. Why are you looking at me? Sign up. DM me French or click the link to join to reserve your spot today. A bientôt. Au revoir. What are you waiting for? You want to stay here? You don't want to learn? I want to sabio. I don't come out.